To update the firmware for an MP70, you have to log into the device. So make sure that the device is hooked up to your laptop computer. The Ethernet cable goes into any of the 4 ports that are in the back of the device, and also to the Ethernet port on your laptop. You type in this IP address at port 9191. It will bring you to the ACE Manager web page. User, of course, is the username, and the password is in the documentation that you've been provided. You log in. You go to the button at the top that says Software and Firmware. Now remember, you have already downloaded both types of firmware, both firmware files to your computer, so now you need to go find them. So if we're going to do the Alio software, or the firmware for the device, we'll choose the file, and it is in Downloads, and that's this right here. We'll click on it. We hit Update. Now you'll have to get check marks next to all of these. So initialization, uploading, applying, and then the device will reboot. You know that you've done it correctly when it says do not disconnect. If you never get this and this spins forever, something's wrong. Usually you've changed the file name or something's corrupt. So now the device will reboot, and you have updated the firmware. Once you reboot, you ensure that the firmware update has held by logging back into the device, going to Software and Firmware, and notice the version is 4.8.1, and that is the exact same version that you uploaded. See, 4.8.1. That's how you update the firmware for the device. Next, we will discuss updating the radio module firmware.